Joke. I think, confidence is a big thing, especially in this industry. But I don't know. I was raised in a way na as much as possible, don't fear anything. I think even if I fear, this industry, acting despite being scared of something is a good thing. It's bravery, it's courage. So, yeah, that's what I'd say on fear.
So what are your realizations now na nasa showbiz na kayo? Kumusta yung mga experiences so far?
Now, mas na-realize ko na wow, I really enjoy it. Like, na-enjoy ko yung kahit simpleng interviews na dito, media call, walking sa red carpet. I really enjoy it. And I think I really want to do this forever as a job. Parang hindi nga show job eh. Like, I enjoy doing it.
What she said, it's super fun. Daming good company, a lot of good people I met so far. I've finished taping for my first show. I love the process. I love acting. It's safe to say, I love this job and I love my job. It does not feel like a job. It feels like a hobby. Right?
Sa mga ni-launch ngayon, meron na ba doon ng mga friends nyo or dati nyo na silang kilala or ngayon nyo lang din sila nakilala?
I'm close with Angelina na po since best friends yung mom niya and mom ko. So, kids, bata pa lang po kami, magkakasama na kami nila Angelina. Well, kami ni Walker lately lang po sa mga shoots before the contract signing.
Thank you.
Picture lang kayo dalawa.
Sige po.